Use of multiple iDraw machines. We open the Device Manager. Right-click My Computer. Select Manage. Select Device Manager. Here is no port number. Next, I will connect the USB cable. Connect the first iDraw machine. A port number COM9 appears. Connect the second iDraw machine. A port COM3 appears. Two port numbers appear, indicating that two iDraw machines are connected. Run Inkscape. Click New Document. Start the first software here. Operate two iDraw machines at the same time. Need to start two software at the same time. Run Inkscape again. Two Inkscape softwares have now been launched. Test content, such as sparrows. Next, need to set up the iDraw control extension. We connect to devices here, COM3 and COM9. We need to record. Select the iDraw extension. Select Options. Select Config. Machine selection. Use the draw name below. Fill in the port number of the iDraw machine. Fill in COM3 here. Another Inkscape software operates similarly. Fill in COM9. Next, let's control the machines separately. Click Apply to control the pen up and down. Same here. Then we plot the document. Plot, click Apply to write. In this way, you can control two machines to write at the same time.